Why does your scanner show the P2668 engine code? What does it mean? P2668 is a diagnostic trouble code for fuel mode indicator lamp control circuit. The P2668 engine code for indicate your vehicle's engine computer, PCM or ECM, has detected an electrical issue with the indicator light that alerts the driver to which fuel system is currently active. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty fuel mode indicator, lamp, poor electrical connections, damaged wiring harness, faulty fuel mode selector, switch, faulty powertrain control module. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Hyundai, Honda, Kia, and Toyota. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.